considering the special status granted to the region under Article 371J and the region's economic development, the then government had sanctioned railway division at Kalaburagi during the year 2014-15. It has been 10 long years since the people of Kalyan, Karnataka have been waiting for the establishment of railway division. Various committees have been formed one after the another, but the railway division has still not been established. Through the years, bigger amount was allocated to the establishment of the division in various budgets, but nothing came out of such allocations. Further, the requisite land for the purpose was given by the state government completely free of cost, which is currently in possession of the railways. This division would have served as a crucial lifeline for the region, ushered in a new phase of economic growth and development for the people of Kalyan, Karnataka. Therefore, I seek a definitive answer from the Honorable Minister of Railways. Will the railway division Kalaburagi be established or not? And second, how much longer will the people of Karnataka wait for the implementation of this railway division, sir?
Please, माननीय मंत्री जी, please.
Honorable Speaker, sir, the question of Kalaburagi division has been answered in the reply. The point is that during the UPA government, without doing any feasibility, without actually looking at the details of a project, announcements were made and no follow-up action was taken up. That was the situation during UPA government. The fact of the matter is that Kalaburagi was not sanctioned as mentioned by the Honorable MP in his question. The project, the announcement which was made by the then Railway Minister was evaluated by the committee formed by the same Railway Minister, and it was found to be not feasible, sir. I'd like to also place on record that the amount for Karnataka, the amount sanctioned for development of railways in Karnataka has also seen a record increase during Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's first and second term. During the UPA government, for a state like Karnataka, the funds allocated was only 835 crore rupees, only. And in the previous financial year, 23-24, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji had allocated 7,561 crore for Karnataka. So there is a huge emphasis on development of railways throughout the country and also in the state of Karnataka.
Honourable Member Supplementary.
Consider positively for this project.
Okay. Sri Anita Shubdarshani.
Jai Jagannath. Thank you, Honorable